Ready?
Yeah.
This is me chucking leftover chips from the chippy shop in West.
For the seagulls. Oh, here they come. Woohoo! Look at them. Woohoo! Oh my god. Oh, they're fighting, alright? Oh my god. Oh my god, look at them all. What are you like, you little naughty seagulls? Don't scare them away. Don't scare them away, look.
All done, Wendy.
This is on the beach. Oh, look at that one. Woohoo! Oh god, they're gonna fight. Oh god. It's so silly. I food. Don't know why you should fight. How do you fight, you seagull? You're cruelty to your birds, my dear. Oh.
Crawley to children.
Do it again, go on. Do it again. Why are they like that?
Oh, I got myself instead.
Look at them.
I got them
They're
wet.
all waiting for more. We haven't got more.
Is that more? Crawley to children.
I thought you was going to give it to them then. Zoom in. There's that one on its own. There's all them two right there are fighting.
This is brilliant.
Oh, look at them two down there fighting, chasing after each other. Whee! Wow. Have you finished yet? Finished fighting? I think they've stopped fighting now.
Sorry.
Okay then. Oh, a bit of action now. Now. Don't need to fight, do you? Look at that one on its own. Let's zoom in. Whee! Oh. All the baby ones and the mummy and daddies. Oh, he's chasing him. Woohoo! Whoa. See, well that's the end of the video. So hope you liked it. Bye.
Wendy.